Welcome to this tutorial for swapping of two numbers. So what is swapping? Swapping is using two variables and interchanging their values. How are we going to do that? Let us see. Say I have two variables A, say it has 10, and B, it has say 20. Now what does swap do is that I want A equals to 20 and B equals to 10. How we are going to do that? See, if you say that we have A equals to 10 and B equals to 20, let us write A equals to 20 and B equals to 10. Yes, it is a way, but what is the problem? The problem is that if I make the user give the input for A and B, say I write C in A and C in B, and the user can enter any value. So how are we going to say that these two values should be swapped? Second thing that comes in the mind is that let us write A equals to B. Okay, but what it does is that the value of B will be transferred to value of A. So what it will do is that right now it is written A equals to 10 and B equals to 20, and then we have written A equals to B. So what it will do is that A value will be the value of B. So A will be 20. But now what will happen is that the value of A, the original value that was 10, will be lost. So how should we do this? Okay, so we can use two methods. The first method is that we use another variable. What it will be? Say C. Now what I do is that C equals to A. See what will happen. C equals to A. Now, right, let me do a little bit of rough area. Now, right now I have A is 10, B is 20. Now I write C equals to A. What it means is that C, now C is a variable in which there is no value right now. So I write C equals to A, which means that C equals to the value of A. Now C equals to 10. Now I have got a variable C and I have stored the value of 10. Now I can use the variable A to store this value. So I can write B equals to, sorry, A equals to B. Now I have got the value of A. I have stored it in another variable, a temporary variable which we are not going to use at all. We have just stored the value of A somewhere such that in the future we can use this value again. The value of B is shifted in value of A. Now what happens when I write A equals to B? Now A is 10 and my B is 20. Now I write A equals to B. So the value of A will become 20. Till now what we have is that A is now 20, B is my 20 because I haven't done any modifications in B, and my C is 10. Okay, now what I have done is I have taken the original value of B and stored it in A. Now what I have to do is now that use this value of C and store it in B. So I have to write B equals to C. Now what will it do? B equals to 10. B equals to 10 or B equals to C. Now let me check whether I have done it right or not. So I'll write C out. A equals to A and B equals to B, and we can use and L, and we can use this same line before doing this is my swapping thing. Now anything I write below this will be after swapping, and anything I write before this will be before swapping. So if I write cout A equals to A, followed by B equals to B, and end L. So if I run this code, I will see whether I've done it right or not. So run this code. See, A equals to 10, B equals to 20, followed by A equals to 20, B equals to 10. Now if I want to complicate it, very simple to complicate. A, B, C, I declare it in the very same line. I write cout, enter two numbers, space, semicolon. Now cin A and B. So I run this, enter two numbers, I write 10, I write 20, or change it to say 2 and 4. Now A equals to 2, B equals to 4, and after swapping it is A equals to 4, B equals to 2. Thank you for watching CS75.in. Now this is the program. Thank you for watching CS75.in tutorials.